So what you go on now, my general? If the child was missing from the Friday, right? Then find her the Wednesday. Me just show you now, I break it in quick. Then find her Wednesday about 12 o'clock. Did you know that the mother here about 3 o'clock? Just for sure say everything a blackmail from the first day. Alright now. We get to understand say the little girl bag with her uniform was found down by the river. This morning when me run my deep investigation over Portland, ring up some people, make them go some people yard and walk and ask 2 questions for me. Under style, we get to find out say the little girl did a go shop. So my general, we want to find out from the people in the host hall what happened. Who bring the bag go down by the river because the little girl never left her house. Alright, me I go play one voice note very quick, my general. Me just play one piece.
Bro, you have all the time in the world. You have every time in the world. Once you have the time, we have the time. Playing it, you can't play around 3 days with a voicemail. Once you have the time, we have the time for listen. So
my general, yes man, remember you jump on the case and your platform or son different people. We want the whole world here, you know. That's why I jump on Father Toto same way. I'm see the live, I'm say I jump and share some information with you. So you see when you talk, you know why you run with. Me want you to listen to the little girl voice, my general.
So to the trip, right? And mommy have money to send me to our educational trip. Educational trip. We are going to learn about agriculture. We are going to learn about. You choose not to say the dress code. We have jeans pants with a white t-shirt or your jersey top. Have that can wear and you can wear white sneakers or any kind of shoe. The queen said she don't have none. I'm looking at this one.
So my general, back live and go bun down over there, my general. Me eat it, me dip on your live and me eat it bad, but me I tell you say, I want different type of spirit come visit me this morning. Me really eat it. I just been know all my life in a while ago. Me have 300 people over there on the end, but we now watch that cause anywhere we do we word and we voice shall be heard. So I want you to listen the case and you listen to our voice a while ago, my general. You see what I go on from this up? She never got to school.
She said she could go on an educational trip to go and learn about agriculture. And the granny never no send her. And the dress code is jeans, pants and white.
And this was a Friday.
Or before the Friday. This is just one of our voice note.
Okay, so let me ask one question, right?
So she never got to school.
So and the Friday morning, when them say she got the river, see? So what them I try to tell you say? So why the uniform that the river? Because even if you got the river, you gotta come back up and get just at your house. So why them find a uniform them down at the river?
It now we are asking now, Father. It now we are trying to resolve up now. The fire, that's how we are burning now, you know. And that's how now we are burning the fire now, you know, Father Tiger. One day if you are ready the case with me and I want to jump in on the case and I come, you one day if you see where the case stand, if you see something cook up, something fishy, something not right.
When them find her at the river, she have on clothes?
No, she not have on no clothes to me get to understand, but top and bottom. But her uniform was in her bag, but she didn't go to school. When me run the program this morning, somebody tell me said the little girl left the house to go shop. And a family member see her when she a go shop. And ask her where she a go, and she see a shop she a go. And the river, when they find her unalive, that the river they about 1 hour away from the house. And it's a big river.
Rio Grande.
Yeah, it's a big river. A somebody have to cross the road with her to go over that river there. So
then why she wanna go at the river there? Why she wanna go so far and so early?
And she not like river.
Sense.
She not like river overall.
So look at
let me tell you something.
The voice note
Let me tell you something. No. I see thing you just said in the comment. She never in the river from that Friday there.
True there.
Yeah. She never in the river from the Friday.
No, she went missing the Friday, man, Father Tiger.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. But she never in the river from she went missing. As somebody put her in the river.
That's the thing me I tell you, say the rain fall at Portland now. So rain fall at Portland the Monday, the Tuesday, and from the Friday, the weekend there. So anyway, then they put the body look like the rain shift the body
wash it out.
and wash away in the river come down.
Oh, okay.
Because the skin of that strip off. If you not
exactly.
Strip off.
Father Tiger, listen me good. If they claim to say they find the little girl uniform, the little girl didn't went to school. How comes the uniform end up down at the river? Somebody don't have to carry down there. If a family member of people in the community, they see facts them when we have general, they know them are gonna get a real beating because somebody in the community see this little girl and ask her, it's a family member to live in the yard, you know. See her and ask her, where is she going? She says, shop. That's what a person they say. So now, Father, if you listen what Duke say he get a call in between 3 and 4 o'clock. Say the little girl missing. What me want to ask Portland or ask grandma, who call grandma and tell grandma that the little girl went missing? Who first find out she missing? Who make the call says they can't find her or where she hear about this? Come on, man. Justice for the kids, man. We are going to burn a fire upon them, man.
I have a link at Portland, so I suppose you can get Portland cover morning. I have a link at Portland. Let me tell you something. So you see Granny? Where your granny name? You know your granny name?
You know, I don't know the granny name though. Me get her name, you know. I have to go back in my inbox and so stuff. Me get everybody name over there, man.
So for now, you don't really know, remember her name now? We're going to call her the old Chicken Hawk. For now, till we get a good name for her. We'll start out her name. But let me tell you something. Granny, listen to my voice when I say. You better just come forward and tell who I'm to the little girl and who if you go in her sweatbox, because I know if, nor but, nor maybe, who know I go to prison for her. And you know me I jag all over the floor and I ring out and jag again. So come forward and make you know what go on, because me not understand what you know have against with next generation. Me could not terrorize them so. And it's very ironic because from when me hear right as well, it's like we have the female version of Jayden now. So what we not gonna do next?
Tiger, it look like them analyze that little girl in our yard in that uniform there, so them carry evidence. Go down there. Like she get analyzed in that uniform.
So you know me I wonder if she go shop and come back and them do her something like is either she go shop and buy what she should buy or whatever and them do her something at the yard. Cause if somebody say I go shop, you know, chances are she go shop and come back. So the grandmama and who's today in the yard so to come forward and come tell you what I'm to her.
But Tiger, listen to the voice note again. Where she say?
Watch her now. We want to know the shop where she got the fireman because it can't be a whole shop in the area. So one of the person and so we want the vibe, we want the date them properly. So if somebody says MCR got a shop in the Friday morning, so it's either she got a shop, and so we need to know if she did reach at the shop. So if she reach at the shop people them have to go give us our account for her. And if she go at the shop and come back, the grandmama and whosoever in the yard have to give account for her.
But we heard that the grandmother was not there. That's what we hear. The grandmother so in the town.
So who was at the yard then?
That's what we want to get to find out. That's why we are running the investigation and I open the case now. Because what we get to understand, the little child live with her grandparents. If you listen to what Duke said, the grandparents, the grandfather, and the grandmother responsible for the little girl. But they live in a one yard with more house there. They wouldn't call that tenant yard. You know what I mean? Because him certainly wake up and can look right over in a little girl house where they live. That's what he said. You understand? So we want to find out from the people. We want to find out who, when grandma went to his work, who did he left in responsible for she? Because grandma couldn't left she alone at the house as a 12-year-old. And why grandma wouldn't want to send her to school. I didn't think they want CDA go over there go question grandma. I go turn on back my life in a little bit because me have to go bun down over Portland. Me have to bun down over there.
Left a voice note with Tiger.
Me have to bun down the over Portland.
So she's in her voice note, she said her mother or her granny don't want she go to school.
Mom, she live with her grandmother. So I'm a grandmother. The person where she send the voice note to is a family member. Which you understand. So she da keep close relationship with some of my family member them. And if she have a phone, we want to find out from the grandma where the phone is. Because police them need to do some investigation with the phone.
She have to have a phone because that's the phone. She was to send the voice note. So she have to have a phone. So the thing is this now. The thing is this. As I say, I have some people at Portland, but I want to get somebody name them.